Aloe vera has many species, each with its own growth and depending on the soil, climate, land where the content and time of harvesting are different. The best is A. Vera and A. barbadensis. The tree the best quality is still 2 to 3 years old. It is important to know that pure aloe vera is a poison. When out of the air the resin is easily oxidized to lose part of the activity, therefore, it is necessary to have a proper extracting process to stabilize the active ingredient. The toxin in aloe vera is not deadly but can cause diarrhea. Pregnant women may be born teratogenic. A large amount of aloe vera can cause abdominal cramps, vomiting, diarrhea, and it is also excreted in the urine, making the urine colorless blood. Breastfeed carefully because the baby may be poisoned when breastfeeding. If used for a long time, 3 to 6 months, form a member, may accumulate phenomenon that causes digestive disorders, diarrhea. Hemorrhoids. Intestinal inflammation should not be used because anthraquinone in the alimentary tract causes congestion. People who are cold, welted, diarrhea, low blood pressure also do not use. Good should consult the physician before using. Ensure safety.